Have you seen these cute sticker people use on WhatsApp, Instagram or even sell online? What if I told you you can make this for yourself and even earn money from them? In this video, I will show you how. So open canva.com first. Click on create button here and you can search Instagram like this and click on this Instagram post square template, or you can create custom size. Go to custom size and make width 512 and height 512 and unit should be selected in pixels. I'm going to select that Instagram square post template, this one. Now let's change the background color. Click on the background, click on the background color and select any color you want. I'm going to select this one. Now go to Elements tab and search Anime. Click on Graphics tabs. Here you will see many anime. You can select any. I'm going to select this one. Click on Add Page again. Select this. Add Page again. This, or you can search anything else like animal here and click this. Now move to the first page, increase the size and click on edit. Make sure image is selected and click on edit. Now go to click on shadows under effects here and click on glow. This one, glow. Now reduce the blur amount to 0 and make sure the background color is make sure color is white. Intensity is 100 and size you can increase like this. Now copy this style to other images. Click on the first image and click on this copy style, or you can use Ctrl+Alt+C, the shortcut, to copy the style. Copy the style and click on the second image. See, the style is copied. You don't have to do all the settings again. Click again, copy the style, click again, copy style, click again, copy style. Now your sticker is created. Click on share and download. Make sure PNG is selected and transparent background is also selected. Now I will download all the images. Click on download button and your images will be downloaded. Now let's move to my mobile, where I will tell you how you can use these stickers on WhatsApp, and also after that I will tell you how you can earn money from these stickers. So before we start, I want to say something. I need your support. These days views on my channel drops drastically. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe if you are new. Alright, let's move to the screen and start. So we have to install an app first. Go to Play Store and search personal stickers for WhatsApp. Search this line and install this app, personal sticker for WhatsApp by Stu Karlov. Install this. This is 1.9 MB app only. So this app will automatically detect all the stickers and images in your phone and convert them into stickers that can be used under WhatsApp. Open, allow, and see, it's already detecting all the stickers and images. Let's see if we can find out stickers that we have created in Canva. You can see in the last row, anime, all the anime character that we have created in Canva is showing under the last row. Tap on add to WhatsApp and this will add to sticker section in WhatsApp. Now let's see. Open WhatsApp, tap here stickers and tap here under stickers. Let's see if we can find out stickers all that we have created here. You can see all the stickers that we have created in Canva is showing here. You can use that too. You see, looks cool, isn't it? Now let's move to my computer screen, where I will tell you how you can sell these stickers online. So now you can sell your stickers on websites like Etsy.com. Let's me search the WhatsApp sticker. Let's see anyone selling that. Business, it's WhatsApp stickers only. Search that. See, many people are selling these stickers. You can see. You can also create your own sticker and sell that online. Let's click on this. See, people are buying that also. 3 sales record is selling under 700 rupees. I'm in India, that's why it's showing on rupees. If you are in US or any other country, foreign country, you will see this price in dollar, of course. See, you can sell these stickers. So this is how you can earn money by selling your stickers. So this is how you can make stickers for your messaging app like Instagram, WhatsApp, and can also earn money from them. So again, I need your support. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share also, and press the bell notification icon also. And if you have any topic in your mind that I can cover, please let me know in the comment section. I will cover that also. So I have good knowledge of content creation and video editing also. If you want me to cover tutorial on video editing from free softwares like CapCut, VN Editor, or even paid software, I will cover that too. Let me know in the comment section. We will meet in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and keep creating.